Hi, today we are going to see an interesting robot vacuum cleaner called Viomi S9UV. This robot machine can do a lot more than mopping and sweeping. It can auto-dump and UV sterilize the floor. Let's unbox it. Viomi S9UV comes in pretty big box. The box consists of product manual, one reusable wet mop, cleaning robot, auto disposal station, one mop bracket, 10 pieces of disposable mops and extra side brush. How does it clean? Let us check out. We tested the vacuum with some dust on the floor. The robot could easily suck the cornflakes, rice, sugar and breadcrumbs on the floor. The auto disposal station can empty the dustbin when the robot gets stocked. It means, you get up to 30 days of hands-free cleaning. You hear that sound right? It lasts for a few seconds. When the dust bag is full, you get notified and you can disfuse it safely. You get 3 dust bag with the purchase. But yes, it adds up to your monthly budget. You will find 3 indicators on the docking station. The full bin indicator reminds you to remove the dust bag and dispose it. The dust level indicator tells that the dust bin is currently being emptied, and third one is the battery level indicator. At the bottom of the robot, you will find the hybrid tank. The 250 ml water tank and 300 ml dust box can quickly collect the floating soil, hair, etc. The robot can sweep, vacuum, and mop together. It has 2 modes: S mode and Y mode. The intelligent Y mode mopping simulates manual cleaning and two-way cleaning with higher cleaning coverage. It can climb on carpet and clean it well. The robot is 35 cm width and 10 cm height. It can easily go under the most TV unit set and kitchen cupboards. But not below my sofa. The side brush can remove dust along the walls. Control the robot using the app. Create room partitions, select repetitive cleaning areas and set no entry zones. Select vacuum modes, suction and water consumption levels. So, what are the downsides? Manual cleaning of the side brush and floating brush is required at least once in a week. On power outage, the robot cannot reach its home. But you can remote control it with an app. You need to purchase dust bags as consumables, as the product comes with only 3 dust bags. It does seem expensive, but power suction, powerful battery and hybrid cleanings makes it worth the purchase. The robot vacuum costs $46,990 at Amazon. So that's about Viomi S9UV. To me it is pretty interesting robot vacuum cleaner. What do you think? Would you go for this vacuum robot? Let us know your comments.